Hi everyone, my
Hi,
name is
myself
Samrat Mishra.
Drishalvani.
As a
I
data
have
engineering
completed
graduate,
my
I joined Unify
internship with
Mentor as a
Unified
data
Mentor
analyst
as a
intern.
full stack web
During this
development
internship,
intern. It
I
was a
used tools
great
like
learning experience.
Python,
I
SQL,
got
Power
to
BI
work on the projects
to
like
turn raw data into
weather
meaningful
app, which
insights.
uses API
It's been a
integration, or
great
student
experience
teacher
moving
booking appointments,
from theory
which also
to
uses
high
Firebase
impact
and Cloud
hands-on
Firestore.
project.
I had such
Mentorship
a
here is
great
great
time working on
for
this
any graduate
project, which
looking for a
makes my
career
knowledge
in data.
or my theoretical knowledge
And
worked into
thanks
the
to the team for this
practical ones.
opportunity.
It improved my
Hi
skills
everyone,
in
my name is
HTML,
Samrat
CSS,
Mishra.
JavaScript,
As a data
and
engineering graduate,
also I
I
happened to
joined
learn
Unify
new
Mentor as
skills
a data
like
analyst
React,
intern.
Node,
During this
and
internship,
Firebase as
I
well.
used tools like
I had
Python,
such a great
SQL,
time.
Power BI
Overall, the
to
mentors
turn raw
in
data
Unified
into
Mentor are
meaningful
so
insights.
supportive.
It's
Any
been a
doubts can be
great
solved
experience
if I
moving
message them or call them
from
in any
theory
time,
to high
which was
impact
a great thing which
hands-on
makes
project.
every task easier.
Mentorship here is
Thank
great
you,
for any
Unified
graduate
Mentor,
looking
for
for
giving me this
a career
opportunity, and
in
I'll
data.
recommend to all the students to gain
And
the
thanks to the
work
team for this opportunity.
experience and the real life
Hi
experience through
everyone,
this.
my name is
Thank
Samrat
you.
Mishra.